Hey there, welcome in this quick tutorial. We are going to show you that how to see watch history on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Okay, first of all, you have to click on the TikTok app. Now click on the profile icon. Click on the three lines which appear at the right top corner. Click on settings and privacy. Now click on the activity center here. You will see that how to see watch history. You can see here options like watch history. You have to click on that and you see what you have watched in your TikTok ID. Here your history will appear. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.